Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add new fonts on Adobe Express. Adding a new font on Adobe Express allows you to customize your designs even further. So here is how you do it. First of all, open up your Adobe Express application on your web browser or your mobile device. After you do that, click on the plus button at the bottom right hand corner to create a new project. Select a project type from the list, or you can also open up an existing project you'd like to work on with. After opening up a project for yourself, in order to add new fonts on Adobe Express, go ahead and tap on the blue plus button at the bottom left corner and tap on text option from the list. Now, with your text box added and selected on the preview page, you will be able to see text tools available at the bottom. Click on the AG icon in order to go to the Fonts tab. You will be able to see the available fonts for Adobe Express on the list. In order to add a new custom font, go ahead and click on the Upload button at the bottom left. Now, tap on Add Fonts and you will be taken to your device's library, from where you will need to browse through the font file. Go ahead and find the font you'd like to add from your device. Your font files should be usually in .ttf or .oti format. Once you find the font, click on the font and click on Open at the top right corner. Soon after you do that, you will be able to add the font. Now check on this little box at the bottom and click on Add. Right after you do that, you will be able to add the font on Adobe Express. Once your font has been added, you can now select this font and you will be able to see that your text box's font has now been changed. Now you can start adding the text and customizing your font. After applying the new font, you can further customize it by adjusting its size, position, color, element, and others. So that is how you will be able to add your own font on Adobe Express in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.